Welcome to the Property Podcast, where great minds in real estate get together.
I'm honored to be joined today by Ronnie Dahan, founder and CEO of Vesta Investment. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today.
Yeah, thank you for giving me the chance to speak to your audience, Angelina.
Of course.
Sure.
Thank you. So tell me about the difference between tokenized and traditional real estate investments.
Yes. So yeah, very good first question, Angelina. So the difference between tokenized and traditional real estate is the fact that we issue fraction that represent a share of a company, and this company will own a real estate project. Why I choose tokenization? Because I'm from the real estate investment fund world, and what I dislike was the lack of opportunity for small investors. So when you have a beautiful building in Miami that can bring you a big return on investment, you need to come with a lot of million. So tokenization was the key to divide the investment into a small portion and small share, and to create a token as a vehicle to be able to trade it. And at the same time, it represents something tangible, like what we call tokenization of real world assets.
Interesting. So where are you based and where is your business located? Explain to us a little bit of the dynamics.
So yeah, I started Vesta in Miami. I used to live 2 years in Miami. It was very good, especially for the real estate part. So I never tokenized in Miami, but I tokenized, for example, in small city, like big city, but like affordable real estate, like Detroit, Cleveland, Chicago, Atlanta,
Okay.
single family apartments, most of them single family house that range between 50 to 200,000. And last year I participated to one big event in Dubai, as that name GITEX. It's an event especially for tech entrepreneur and startups that connect investor and company like Vesta. So when I came back to Miami, I received a lot of traction. People call me, Ronnie, you should come to Dubai. The real estate is there. We are really crypto friendly. We like what you do. And I'm persons that work a lot with instinct. So I decide to take everything and relocate the company in Dubai. Yes.
That is great.
Good decision. I miss Miami, but good decision.
You do, huh? Because Miami is a great place to live. And I guess also Dubai. Dubai is a beautiful thing. Alrighty. So beyond real estate, what other private equity opportunities are being tokenized? So where do you see the most growth?
Yes. So we try to bring liquidity into illiquid markets. Now, if you want to buy some stock like Tesla, Amazon, you can go on any stock exchange and you can buy it. Real estate is not liquid. It's very complex. If you want to buy real estate, you need to find the house. You need to involve a real estate agent, a broker, make the transaction, register on the title deed. So it's not something that easy to do. Also, you need to apply for mortgage if you want. So tokenization have a real potential in this kind of market. So I see the potential in real estate, of course, but also in commodities like gold. So we see that the tokenization of gold, it's something very big. Tokenization of silver. So to create a token that represents 1 ounce of silver or 1 ounce of gold. This is a big potential. But private equity, all these companies, Angelina, that are not listed in stock exchange like Stripe, SpaceX, Neuralink, this company, you cannot invest directly. You need to know the founder and to participate to the fundraising. So tokenization makes sense in also private equity tokenization.
Interesting. So how does the due diligence process differ for tokenized real estate assets compared to a traditional one?
So yeah, of course, it's the role of my company, of Vesta, to do the diligence of the asset, because at the end, the reputation of the company is very important. Only one bad asset, miscommunication, and not a good due diligence made on the asset, and my reputation is done. So yeah, we check the title deed of the project. We check the return investment, the business model. Sometimes we hire an expert that will give an approximation of the price, the appreciation, the cash on cash return investment. So very important to make a due diligence on the assets before you tokenize. Very, very important.
Great. So what is the geographic mix of your investors?
Yeah, very good question. It's funny because most of them are located in crypto-friendly jurisdiction
Okay.
or jurisdiction that are very strict. For example, if you are an investor in China, it will be, I don't know if you can say that, but I will tell you. It's very complicated for you to take out the money. So if
Okay.
you have a bank in China and you have money, if you want to invest in US company, it will be almost impossible for you because the bank will block the money. So there is a lot of money in China that are converted to crypto. But when your money is in crypto, so you have more freedom to be able to transfer the money. But the problem is that you have two choices. A crypto-backed currency token like USDT or USDC, but because of inflation, it go down. And or you have the possibility to invest in crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it's very volatile. So we give this solution to invest in real world asset token, real estate token, for them to invest in something that appreciate and generate dividends. So yeah, most of them are in China, Tajikistan, Pakistan, Russia.
So tell me, where's the Dubai real estate market headed?
So yeah, Dubai real estate market is huge. I think it's the first industry of the country. What Dubai understand very quick is the power of tokenization. So there is a department for the registration of the title deed. We call that in Dubai the Dubai Land Department. If you, for example, Angelina, you want to buy an apartment in Dubai, you will be registered with your name on the title deed of the apartment in the Dubai Land Department. So Dubai Land Department made a pilot project, a pilot a process and project for tokenization to tokenize the title deed. So to give the possibility to people to buy a token that represent the actual title of the property.
Okay.
Before that, tokenization, every token equal a share of a company. So imagine you have a company. This company will buy the real estate asset and you tokenize the share of the company. So it's not direct ownership. It's not that secure for investor. But what Dubai made, it's amazing. So it's like a token that backed by the government, and the government tell you, okay, this token represents a title. You also receive a QR code with your name, with the title, and the fact that you own 0.1% of this apartment, and you can maybe in the future will be able to go to the bank and instead of putting a full apartment in collateral to receive a loan, you will be able to just put some token to receive like a loan to value and to reinject in other tokenized real estate projects, for example.
That's amazing. So if I wanted to do that, can I come to you guys?
No, we don't have the appropriate license right now to tokenize in Dubai. Right now, there is only one company who have the appropriate license and the authorization to tokenize the title deed. It's a Pripco. Pripco, it's basically Damak. Damak is one of the biggest developer in Dubai, and so it's like a kind of branch of Damak, or it's owned by the daughter of the. It's $1 billion company. So they receive the priority to test the markets, and after that, maybe other company will be able to, with the appropriate license, will be able to jump and to tokenize also the title.
Excellent. So tell me, what is the return on investment of a US investor if they were to invest in Dubai?
So a US investor, if he want to invest in Dubai, have always a good return on investment, but Dubai is more about appreciation. You know, we cannot control the price of the market. The market can go up, can go down. We saw what happened in 2007, 2008 with the subprime crisis. So you can not control the price of the market. But what I can tell you, Angelina, is about the past. In the past 3 years, the real estate market in certain location in Dubai doubled. So if you invest $1 million in one apartment in downtown, your investment worth $2 million. So you double your money in less than 1 year for certain appreciation and a certain apartment. what is going very great in Dubai is ultra luxury, like in Miami. Ultra luxury apartments appreciate a lot on the past few
Fantastic.
years.
Tell me something. You guys also have like HOAs, and what is the structure as soon as you buy an apartment?
Yes. So yeah, we always buy the apartment with what we call a SPV, so a special purpose vehicle company. If you refer that to United States, it will be a C Corp. It's a corporation company, and this company have the possibility to be divided in multiple compartments. So each compartment is allocated to a wallet. So each have his own bank account. So it's easy for the cap table of each company or each compartment to adjust any times that we have sell in the secondary market. And yeah, but at the end, what we sell, it's a kind of securities. So it's a security, what we call security token.
That's very interesting. Thank you. What is one piece of advice that you would give to an investor who is intrigued by this space, but he's unsure where to start from?
Yes. So yeah, I can tell him that at the end, tokenization is not magic. It's not because you tokenize an asset that you will be able to raise from. The blockchain is only the safety, and we create the perfect vehicle for the asset to be divided and to be resale for dividend distribution, for security. But tokenization is just another tool, like a double authentication in your ownership. So if the asset is secure, it should be secure on the paperwork. For example, if you connect to my platform, you need to pass a KYC. You need to put your passport, your proof of address, and after you will be able to, you will need to sign an agreement that says that you became the shareholder of the company who own the asset. So yeah, very, very secure. And at the end, it's the same business models that used to be before tokenization. We just use that as a double security, especially for the people who are worried about losing the money.
Great. So tell me, where do you see the private market and tokenization industry heading in the next 5 to 10 years?
I think it will be huge. There is some statistics that see tokenization of WA, so real world assets, going to $30 trillion. You know, real estate market is the only market that never changed in the past 100 years. It was like that. You buy real estate, you live there, or you rent, you generate dividend. So it's the only market that never changed. And I think this is the time that the tokenization can take the place of this illiquid market. I see also a lot of family office, wealth management, bank that try to use tokenization for dividend distribution, for collateral, for mortgages, for issuance of bonds, and all this creation of complex legal structure. Yeah, I see the mass adoption. I'm in tokenization since 2022. And where you are inside the field, you are the first one who see the change. And I can tell you that the change is here and the traction is there.
Great. Thank you. I might look into it. Very interesting, for real. But thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for this interview. I really appreciate it. It was very informative. I've learned for myself because I have plans of investing in Dubai.